I was living on a houseboat and fell in love with the girl next door. But sadly, we drifted apart. Why do programmers hate light theme? Because light attracts bugs. Do you guys know any good corn jokes? Come on, I'm all ears. Why does a chicken coop only have 2 doors? If it had 4, it would be a chicken sedan. What do you call a hippie's wife? Mississippi. The sun doesn't need to go to college. It already has 28 million degrees. An amateur limbo dancer walks into a bar. He's immediately disqualified for doing so. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. These lame, groan-inducing jokes were sourced from the Dad Joke subreddit from reddit.com. See the podcast show notes page for joke credits and check out our daily Dad Joke app on Android.